Hello everybody, my name is Nick. In today's video we're gonna talk about how to download and play Prime Rush right on your PC or laptop. Here you can see how the game looks like and you can play it right on your PC. So how to do it? First of all, you need to download an Android emulator as me. As you can see now I'm using my PC. So just open up a browser and then type in the search box download emulator. For example, you can install LD Player as me. I honestly advise you to install this emulator. Or you can install, for example, BlueStacks or another Android emulator. So just install it, click on this button, save it, and of course run the installer. And after that, on your screen you will find this icon. Double click on it and then this window will appear. After the installation you can start using this application. So just click on apps and then go to Play Store. Of course here you have to log into your account and then just find the necessary game. So type here Prime Rush, find the necessary game on the first place, and of course click on the install button to download it on your emulator. Okay, finally the game is installed and we can easily run this game. So click on play. Okay, and here it is. So as you can see, the game works correctly. We can play this game right on PC or laptop. I think this video was helpful. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and of course write your comments. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.